Thank you for purchasing the Smart Savings Tracker. In the first tab, named Guide, you will find a link to the Harmony Sheets Etsy store. Here, you can reach out via the support function if you need assistance or have any questions about the model. Now let's walk through how the model works so you can start setting up your savings goals. The first thing you should do is to set your currency. Simply select your currency from the drop-down list in the sheet named Currency. If you cannot find your currency or you want to use your own symbol, you can type it in manually in the cell below the drop-down. Any information in that cell will take precedence over the drop-down. The Savings Goals model allows you to save for up to 12 funds at any time, providing ample opportunity for various projects, purchases, and events you might want to start saving for to ensure they become a reality. I recommend turning on the Highlight Input cells when you use the model for the first time to get a feel for which cells are input cells. Let's now add a new savings project for my upcoming summer holiday, which is scheduled for mid-August. I will enter a title for the savings fund, naming it Summer Holiday. My goal is to save $250, so I will enter that amount into the goal cell. I'll set the start date as April 1st and have until the beginning of August to save up for it. So my end date will be the 1st of August. I plan to transfer this money to a separate account that I'll use when I travel, ensuring it doesn't get mixed with the funds in my day-to-day current account. Additionally, I will choose Holiday as my icon to make the model visually appealing and fun to use. We now see that the model indicates the savings goal is ongoing, with a little over 3 months left to save. It also calculates a recommended savings amount, which in this case is approximately $78 per month. Let's say you start saving money towards this holiday. You can simply add your transactions to the table for that savings fund. You will notice that the saved amount updates and the visual graphs update correspondingly. Similarly, the remaining savings needed and the recommended monthly savings goal will also update. That's how the model works. It's really easy to use. It's a great way to start saving for a new car, a wedding, a down payment for a home, or anything else you would like to achieve. Thanks for watching.